Everything you see here is something about me. Everything you see here is something about my life. What you see here are the answers. I want you to think of the questions, okay? Everything here is the answer. I want you to think of the question. Let's begin. The first answer is Michael Lee Cook. Okay? The first answer is Michael Lee Cook. What is the question? Okay? Now, if you have an idea, I want you to left-click on the picture that reads Michael Lee Cook. And then you will see the answer. The answer is, what is your name? My name is Michael Lee Cook. Michael Lee Cook. This is my full name. Okay, next. The answer is Cook. The answer is Cook. Left click on Cook. The question is, what is your last name? My last name is Cook. My last name is Cook. In America, Europe, England, France, in the West, the last name normally came from their job, from their occupation. So, since my last name is Cook, it means long ago, my great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandfather was a cook, was a chef. And that's why his last name was made Cook. In the West, we also have other names that are occupations, like Smith. A smith is an occupation or job that works on metals. They make swords. We say a swordsmith or a metalsmith or a blacksmith. There are other last names, many last names, which are jobs. Next, the answer is Mike. The answer is Mike. What is the question? And you will see the question is, what is your nickname? My nickname is Mike. My nickname is Mike. You can call me Teacher Mike or Ajahn Mike Gadai. Okay? Please call me Mike. Teacher Mike, Ajahn Mike, but by my nickname, Mike. There's only one person in my life that called me by my first full name, which is Michael, and that was my mother, and she passed away. So please call me Mike. Next, the answer is America. The answer is America. What is the question? The question is, where do you come from? I come from America. Next, the answer is Seattle, Washington. Seattle, Washington. City of Seattle, Washington State. What is the question? City of Seattle, Washington State. The question is, where did you live? Where did you live? I lived in Seattle, Washington. I lived in Seattle, Washington. And number 6, the last one, the answer is 10 years. The answer is 10 years. What is the question? Not how old are you? The question is, how long have you taught at Yuparat? I have taught at Yuparat for 10 years. I have been a teacher at Yuparat for 10 years. You can also ask, how long have you been a teacher at Yuparat? Or how long have you lived in Chiang Mai? I have lived in Chiang Mai for 10 years.